Why does your scanner show the P0689 engine code? What does it mean? P0689 is a diagnostic trouble code for the ECM or PCM power relay sense circuit low. This error code indicates that either the Powertrain Control Module or the Engine Control Module has detected an abnormal voltage reading coming from the relay control circuit that supplies its power. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ECM or PCM power relay. Wiring issues. Blown fuse. Battery issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet models, such as Cobalt, Impala, Malibu, Traverse, and Express vans. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.